Looking for the best film cutting machine for your phone repair shop, gadget business, or personal setup in 2026? Today on Global Deal Explorer, we're counting down the top 5 smartest, fastest, and most professional hydrogel film cutting machines available right now. From intelligent pressure systems to wireless smart cutting and automatic lamination, these machines are changing the game. Starting our list at number 5 is the Mechanic Y360 film cutting machine, a reliable and affordable option for everyday film cutting tasks. This machine supports unlimited hydrogel film cutting for phones, watches, and small smart devices. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller repair shops or mobile accessory businesses. The cutting precision is surprisingly accurate for its price range, delivering clean edges and smooth alignment. If you're looking for a dependable entry-level machine with professional-style performance, the Y360 offers excellent value. At number 4, we have the UNIPRO Unlock Film Cutting Machine, built for users who need larger screen compatibility and versatile cutting power. This machine supports devices up to 17 inches, making it perfect for tablets, iPads, and large-screen gadgets. Its unlimited cutting system is ideal for busy stores, handling high customer demand every day. The precision motor delivers smooth cuts while maintaining excellent film alignment. For repair professionals looking for flexibility and larger format support, the UNIPRO machine is a strong performer. Taking the third spot is the Sunshine Y25 Plus, one of the smartest wireless cutting machines in the market today. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, this machine delivers a modern and highly convenient user experience. The 16-inch cutting capacity gives users flexibility for smartphones, tablets, and custom hydrogel applications. Its dual intelligent operating system improves speed, accuracy, and workflow efficiency. For creators and repair businesses wanting a smart connected machine with reliable performance, the Y25 Plus stands out beautifully. At number 2, we have the Sunshine C4 Pro, a powerful cutting machine engineered for precision and high-hardness film materials. What makes this machine special is its intelligent blade pressure technology, allowing it to cut strong 7H and 9H films with impressive accuracy. The pressure adjustment system improves durability while reducing cutting errors and wasted materials. Its professional-grade engineering makes it one of the best choices for serious repair shops and advanced users. When precision matters most, the C4 Pro delivers exceptional results. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, the Sunshine C3 Mix Ultra Intelligent Cutting and Laminating Machine. This is more than just a cutter. It's a complete professional workstation designed for premium productivity and advanced automation. The C3 Mix Ultra combines intelligent film cutting with automatic lamination in one streamlined machine. Its auto-positioning system increases speed and accuracy while reducing manual effort. The machine supports multiple film types and delivers an incredibly polished finish for both front and back protection films. For repair businesses, accessory stores, and professionals who want the ultimate all-in-one solution, the C3 Mix Ultra is the clear winner of 2026. So, which film cutting machine impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews from Global Deal Explorer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.